Every time we make a mistake, try to realize and try not to make it again and again. If you stick on to the statement for your entire life, it means that you are ready to learn because life is a learning. Each and every step is important in our life. Hello everyone. I can't just heartfully greet you. Welcome to my channel because it's such a sensitive personal issue that most of the people are facing, especially in this pandemic situation. So you might have seen the introduction, which is relatable to all the people across the world, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, culture, tradition, whatsoever. So today in this video, I'll be sharing you a sensitive personal content, and that's nothing but online frauds, where many are facing in these 6 months of period from March till today. And I'm one of them who have faced with an experience. I'll be sharing you what I had, how did I move out, how did I find the solution, how did I get into it, and all those. So please watch the video till the end. And this video is not to gather the sympathy from you people. It's just an informative, as well as I'm very eager to get into the video because I'm here to save most of your money as well as the trust that you have for the people where you are still waiting, where they give you money like the salary amount. So the first question I got is, how do you get into it? So whenever we are in need of employment, there are certain websites where we, for example, like Quicker, Monster India, Indeed, Shine.com, and many more websites. And these are one of the famous one where most of the genuine as well as fake companies are involved into. So firstly, when we are in need of job, we'll go to any of the websites, or in the Google we'll just type any of the organization, recruiting freshers, and there'll be like list of all these websites, and we'll just go into it. We'll just see what type of job we want. For example, data entry, form filling jobs, captcha. These three are one of the fraud jobs and the fraud companies where they are getting into. And one of the famous fraud company that I want to mention you is Z Technology. It is located in Maharashtra. In this way, you'll just get into the website, give your name, phone number, email ID, as well as the qualification. And some of the people will upload the resume and some do not. But still, after 24 hours, you'll get a call telling that we are from so and so company. Are you looking for a work from home job or a part-time job? We'll usually say yes. And then the second step is they'll just describe the job that you are or that you want. Like first, it'll be like data entry. For example, data entry. They'll ask you a question. Do you know typing? Do you have a laptop? We'll usually say yes. If people have laptop, they'll tell yes. If people do not, no. Okay, fine. If people say yes, the next step, the third step is they'll describe about the salary. The salary amount is 30,000. 10 days is the first project. The other 10 days in a month will be the second project. For one page, you'll have 160 to 200 rupees, where you'll have 60 lines to be typed in MS Word or Notepad. We usually say yes, I know typing, I can do it. In an innocent manner, we'll just be like, we'll just blindly believe all those because we are in need of money. And these idiots, I can't even just tell idiot, it is something more than that. After that, they'll just send you all the details regarding the company, the salary amount, um, the project when to be completed, and everything. And people will be like, okay, fine, what next? There are two type of companies in this particular data entry work. One is paid one is where you can just they'll just tell you like you can type or you can just do your work, complete your work and send us. You don't need to even pay a penny. The other side is you have to pay 2000 first, and then with the salary it will be refundable. So it'll just be like just 2000 out of 30,000. Though they just exclude, it's not a big issue because 2000 out of 30,000 is just not even one fourth of amount. So though it is 28,000, it's more than enough for us because we are in need of money. And then we'll just blindly pay. They'll give their own phone pay number or the link. So you'll just pay the amount. The next day you'll call. They'll just be like, yeah, what happened? Is it going on very smoothly? How many pages have you completed? Very innocently, it's just like applying a cream on us. So the words are very innocent as well as very polite. After 3 days, after 4 days, after 5 days, you'll just call. What will you hear is the number you're calling is currently switched off right now. It's quite simple as that. SIM card just costs something around 50 and you have paid 2000 rupees. It's such a blunder mistake. It's not just mistake because we are in need of money and we have to just need some employment, and they have just cheated you. So next is, how do they contact you? I have already told you, through the website. When we just give our details, they'll just call you back and do all such nonsense. What are the websites included? Monster India, Shine.com, Indeed, Quicker, and so on. These 5 websites are the top, where most of the fake companies are involved. What should you do? I'll just show you a proof, like how do they contact you and everything. Just give me a second. So as you can see, they'll be just asking you about your typing speed. Then they'll just list out the 3 plans. For the first plan, as you can see, the registration fee will be 1785. The second plan, that is the gold plan, which is the registration fee will be 2285. Then the last platinum plan will be, the registration fee will be something around 3285. You have seen how people are manipulating the needy ones who are in need of money, as well as they are influencing people just to collect the money. Starting, it's just the registration fee that we have to pay, and later we'll just get 30,000 to 40,000. Just for you, just to think about a thing. I'll just mention you a statement. Just think it twice, thrice, or how many ever times you want. People in India, if they get 30,000 in just 10 days, India will not still be in a developing zone of the country. It might be developed when we have got the independence. So guys, the last question is, what should you do whenever we get threatening mails from the company website? After this, after 10 days of time, though you do completely or you don't do completely, they don't bother. They don't even check. You don't even get the payment. You'll just get a mail stating that we have provided you an email ID, password, and you have even signed the agreement, and now a legal case has been filed against you. You have to pay the registration fee with the due amount of 4,000 extra. That is 2,000 plus 4,000. Now it has become 6,000. The first day, this is the mail that you get. The second day will be like, a legal advocate named so and so is going to take a legal action against you if you don't pay the extra amount. They'll just add the registration fee, the due amount of the yesterday amount that they have mentioned 4,000 plus today's amount of 10,000, totally 16,000. You have to pay on or before 4 p.m. today, or else police will come to your home, drag to you and put you against the bars. These are the warnings that you get from the company whenever it is a fraud one. I'll just make a statement for you. Just think it twice, thrice, or how many ever times you want. India is still in a developing country, okay? Whenever a people who know just to type can earn 30,000 in 10 days, will India still be in a developing state? It might be developed. It might be like a luxurious country when we have got the independence itself. Am I right? So yeah, what should you do whenever you get all these threatening emails is that go to Google. Simple. It's go to Google. You go to consumer helpline. You'll get it is a government one, which is a free one, where they are taking complaints from all these fraud companies. They'll you just give your name as well as the company name, where from which you have got these threatening mails, and then describe about what happened, what actually happened, what is the situation you're facing now, right now. So whenever you describe, whenever you give your email ID, they'll not ask your phone number, because someone who might have seen your description might misuse. So they'll not ask your phone number, just your name, the company name, the description about what situation are you in, what happened actually. That's it. Just submit it within 24 hours or maximum of 48 hours, that is 2 days. You'll just get a return mail from consumers helpline asking you that if you are still getting any mails, threatening mails from the company, please give the number that you have, or else you just send me the proof of the messages or the text messages or else mails. Just paste it, just send them. They'll just ask you that, we'll just talk to them and convey. We'll just stop as soon as possible. We'll just have a solution for you for the problem that you have mentioned. So it's quite simple. From the next day that you have given the number to them, you will not even receive a single mail from that particular fraud company. This is as simple as possible, and this is the solution for every fraud company, where every fake and fraud company that you are involved into. The final warning statement, it's by Abdullah. The final warning statement that I have to give to the people who are involved in this particular zone is that you are doing an online begging, where if you just come onto the roads and beg, you'll just get 1/4 of the extra amount than the actual one, where you're sitting and cheating people and collecting money from them. So this is the very simple solution for every online threatening emails, as well as whenever they are asking you to pay some amount of money. just go to consumers helpline, give a complaint. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and if you have any queries, just mention below in the comments. Thank you so much. And people, please be careful from getting into all these fraudulent zone.